Welcome back to Money Blueprint Hacks, the channel where we break down the secrets of financial freedom into simple, easy-to-follow steps. Today, we're diving into practical ways to make money online, strategies that real people have used to build wealth from scratch. And the best part? These hacks are so simple, anyone can learn and start today. Whether you're a teenager, a stay-at-home parent, or a working professional, this is for you. So, grab a notebook because by the end of this video, you'll have a complete roadmap to start your own online income journey. Step 1. Freelancing. Freelancing is one of the fastest ways to start making money online. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer allow you to sell skills you already have: writing, graphic design, video editing, even virtual assistants. Take Hiten Shah, who started freelancing in marketing and content creation. His side hustle became so successful that he launched multiple startups, including Crazy Egg and Kissmetrics. The beauty of freelancing is no inventory, no capital, just your skill, your laptop, and an internet connection. Step 2. Selling digital products. Imagine earning while you sleep. That's the magic of digital products like ebooks, templates, or online courses. For example, Graham Cochran, a musician, turned his knowledge into digital courses about recording music. He's now earning 6 figures per month from his online programs. Once your digital product is made, it keeps selling without extra work. That's passive income at its best. Step 3. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing means promoting other people's products and earning a commission. Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and ShareASale make this possible for anyone. Think of Pat Flynn. He built smart passive income using affiliate links, and today he's a millionaire, thanks to sharing products he genuinely used and loved. The key here, trust. If people trust your recommendations, affiliate income flows naturally. Step 4. YouTube content creation. Yes, YouTube is still one of the biggest money-making opportunities online. With ad revenues, sponsorships, and product sales, creators are building empires. Take Marcus Brownlee, MKBHD. He started making tech videos in his bedroom. Today, he's not only a YouTube millionaire, but also interviewing Elon Musk and Bill Gates. If you have passion for a topic, YouTube is your stage. Step 5. Print on demand and e-commerce. Don't want to handle inventory? Print on demand lets you sell t-shirts, mugs, or merch online without holding stock. Michael Essany started with Teespring, designing shirts with funny phrases. In just 5 months, he made over $100,000. You create the design, the company prints and ships. Your job? Creativity and marketing. Step 6. Blogging and SEO. Yes, blogging still works, especially when paired with SEO and affiliate marketing. Michelle Schroeder-Gardner created Making Sense of Sense, a personal finance blog. She turned it into a multi-million-dollar business through affiliate links and ads. A blog is your digital real estate. With time and consistency, it becomes a money machine. Step 7. Coaching and consulting. If you have expertise, people will pay to learn from you. Online coaching is booming, from fitness to finance, even relationships. Sam Ovens started consulting on business systems. He scaled to 7 figures and now runs consulting.com, helping others do the same. Your knowledge could be the bridge to someone else's success. Step 8. Remote jobs. Not ready for entrepreneurship? Remote jobs are everywhere. Companies now hire online workers for roles in customer support, marketing, and IT. Sarah Sutton Fell, for example, founded FlexJobs after working remotely herself. Today, millions use her platform to find online jobs. It's steady income with freedom to work from anywhere. Step 9. Investing online. While not instant, investing builds long-term wealth. Stocks, ETFs, and crypto are accessible with apps like Robinhood, Coinbase, and eToro. Kathy Wood, founder of ARK Invest, took bold bets on tech stocks and turned her vision into billions under management. Start small, stay consistent, and let compound growth do the magic. Step 10. Building online communities. Communities are powerful. Platforms like Patreon, Discord, or Substack let you monetize loyal audiences. Ali Abdaal, the productivity YouTuber, built a community on memberships and courses, adding millions to his income. If people value your knowledge or vibe, they'll happily pay for access. And there you have it. 10 practical ways to make money online. From freelancing to YouTube, from affiliate marketing to investing, these aren't just theories. They're real strategies used by real people who turn dreams into dollars. So here's the big question. Which step will you start with? Remember, financial freedom isn't about luck, it's about choices. The earlier you start, the faster you unlock freedom. If you found value today, hit that subscribe button right now. We're giving free subscription benefits to the first 1,000 subscribers, exclusive tips, guides, and hacks to speed up your journey to wealth. This is Money Blueprint Hacks, where we make the path to financial freedom so simple, even a teenager can follow it. Don't just watch, take action. See you in the next video.